Are you a travel enthusiast who loves to explore new places but is often discouraged by the hefty prices? Fear not, we got you covered. Today, we'll share some practical and budget-friendly travel tips that will help you save money on your vacation. Picture this, you're at a beautiful beach, sipping on margaritas and not worrying about the cost. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the right planning, this dream can become a reality. The first step is to decide on a budget. This will help you manage your expenses efficiently. Next, think about when you want to travel. If you're not bound by school schedules or job constraints, consider traveling during the off-peak season. This is when flights, accommodations, and even attractions are often much cheaper. Just as important as when you travel is where you stay. Look beyond hotels and consider other options like vacation rentals, hostels, or even swapping homes with someone. These alternatives can offer significant savings, especially for longer stays. When it comes to dining, resist the temptation of fancy restaurants every day. Instead, try local food at smaller eateries, or better yet, cook your meals if you have the facilities. This will not only save you money but also give you a taste of the local culture. Don't forget about transportation. Public transport is usually much cheaper than taxis or car rentals. And in many cities, it's also a great way to get a feel for the local lifestyle. Plus, walking or biking is free and can lead to unexpected discoveries. When planning your activities, remember that not all attractions have to be pricey. Many cities offer free or low-cost options like museums, parks, and historical sites. Do your research and you might be surprised at what you can find. Another great way to save money is by traveling with others. Sharing costs for things like accommodation, car rentals, or meals can make a big difference. Plus, traveling with friends or family can make your trip even more memorable. And last but not least, remember to take advantage of any travel reward programs you are part of. These can offer valuable discounts on flights, hotels, and more. Don't have any? Consider signing up for one. It's usually free and can lead to significant savings over time. So there you have it. With a little planning and creativity, traveling on a budget is not only possible but can also be a lot of fun. So start planning your dream vacation today and remember, the world is yours to explore. In conclusion, traveling doesn't have to break the bank. By implementing these tips, you can stretch your dollar further and experience the joy of exploring new places without the financial stress. Happy traveling!